Hi everyone, and welcome to another video.
We are hosting giveaways in our server. I'll leave a link in the description. Feel free to join. I'll be making a game in just 5 minutes. And I remember that I didn't laugh for a long time. Nothing feels the same anymore. So the game that I will make in 5 minutes is just a random joke teller, hoping that the jokes will make me laugh. Enjoy.
现违规异常，了解详由华语客服。
I started by adding a part in which I will display the jokes. This part has a surface GUI and inside of it two text labels. One for the joke and one for the answer. And I also prepared a link in which I will get the random jokes from. Inside of the script, I used HTTP service to send requests to get a random joke from the website that I placed in the URL variable. After I made a function that I will use to send requests. And the returned data, I will place it in the GUI I made. Then I made it so every 5 seconds a new joke appear. And OFC I had some bugs to fix. If you want me to make a video about HTTP service on Roblox, leave a comment if we reach 10 comments for HTTP service. I'll make it. I will test the game and see if it will make me laugh. I didn't laugh. None of the jokes was funny. If you want, leave a joke in the comment to make me happy. Funniest joke will win 50 Robux.